So next up is the headboard for our bed. Got a few things up in here so far. Shout out to Herschel. And yeah, gonna put this thing together. Hopefully it don't take me forever. Down she blows.
There you go.
What? It's finished. Rather simple, not too bad. Before we finish, got the painting gear on. This towel that Natasha does not like for some reason. The towel that we're gonna make it look like. Work in progress, baby. New project. Going in here. And here we have the finished product too. Handle, trash cans. That's important, make sure it closes. Let's see it. Well, guys, the bathroom is officially done. Gotta put back the blinds, painted the tiles that were there white. Got a new fixture, got the new vanity. Gotta clean up the toilet, spill a little bit of paint. It's all good. Everything white, just like Natasha requested. Insert a quick little before. Also got this one done. Put a little bit of before, all white. Next project probably to switch out those old ass water things. And that's it, it'll be done. Next project, we got a bare closet. I think we discussed this a little bit earlier. We're gonna do the 3 drawers and the whole thing. But she wanted to go with more of a wire system, so we got the wire drawers, and then waiting for another component to come in for this side of the thing. So this is the next project. Oh yeah. So this is the first half of the project. I could put something else up there. I'm gonna put some shelves. I'm gonna wait till I get this side in. I should be getting it today, hopefully. That's what the tracking says. If you can see, I tried some holes at the bottom there without a level, and it didn't work out. So I had to hit up my boy Belosa for his level because mine was too big. Pause. So then ended up putting these 2 small ones at the top and the rest 7-inch drawers all the way to the bottom. I think they turned out pretty good. I wish I would have liked to put it more to the wall a little bit here, but you know, I wasn't sure, you know, how they were gonna go, but I think it's not too bad. I'm gonna have a little space here for the clothes and a bar, stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully waiting to get that in today. Hopefully later today I'll pick those up and install these. You know, I've always said with the right tools you can do anything. I definitely need this leveler to level that top piece, then put the tracks on, and then assemble these drawers. So hopefully the missus is happy. If not, she's gonna have to deal with it. Peace. So I don't know if I've videoed this before, but this is the current man cave in process. For now, this is all the crap that I had in my storage. Now I have it in the garage, and plan is to you know, drywall this place up, take these walls down back here, make it, you know, a big open spot, and get all this crap situated. September 2nd, first day of demolition. Took that wall down. Those right here. Most of it's right there. Some of it right there. All the studs right there. September 2nd, baby. First tear down of the man cave. Start the process. Small little project I'm working on. See, there are little gaps there. Little gaps right there. So what I did, some little, I forgot what this is called. Yeah, install that real quick. I'm gonna have to paint those from the refrigerator they put in, and I'll do a little touch up, but put a little bit of weather strip in here so our AC can stay inside instead of outside. But yeah. What up, guys? Quick little check-in. They're all little quick check-ins. But as you see here, this is the fence that I had showed earlier in parts of the video. This is the fence we're gonna take down eventually. I have already started taking this back piece out, as you can see. The poles are the only ones remaining. This little trash area is where I took out a wall in the garage and the rolled up fence. I might be using the fence again for something else. Probably might be using these poles again for something else as well. But obviously, if you know anything about fences, a base of cement probably at the bottom of those, so those are going to be a little harder to take out. Just disassembling the little fasteners, and came out right away. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. If you see in the distance back here, Grandma hooked it up with a swing set. I picked it up last week. Last week? Yeah, about last week in Boca. We just painted it, get a little bit of weather stuff on it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Shout out to Grandma. And put that thing together. Finished it up yesterday. And we got plenty of space to put some stuff back here, so we'll see what we can do next. Next project is probably gonna be some fencing in the back. Distance project. First, got to clean out all these trees. We're not gonna take out the mango. We're just gonna clean it up, and then we got a ficus back here, or ficus looking one. Clean that up too. So those are the next projects for at least the backyard. Well, needless to say, these fence poles are pretty deep. Looks like about 3 feet of cement in the pole. These two, that one stayed in there, I believe. No, that one came out right there. Shit, where's the other one? Oh, that one. This one stayed. That shit's super huge. Pause. Yeah, 1, 2. Oh, that one's still there. Cement's still there. Next step in the garage demolition of these walls to expand it. Looks like the previous owner had a little display stuff here, a little mountain back there, whatever, train tracks. So yeah, I took down this wall that was previously here. Got a bunch of my crap in here from my storage. So this is the next step in taking out this piece. This will eventually be where I want to put my desk. Here we go. Live look, September 21st, Monday. Demolition time. Still demolition. Need to demolish, demonetize this area so I can start cleaning up and organizing this little spot. This little spot here in the corner has been a pain in the ass. Still working on it.